MIT World Peace University Pune has received an overall rating of 4 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. Let's dive into a detailed review of the BTech course here, starting with the 4-star rated placements. According to NRF 2024 data, out of the 1,275 graduating BTech students, 813 were placed. Additionally, 268 students chose to pursue higher studies. Meanwhile, this shows a steady trend over the past 3 years. Students report notable companies visiting the campus, including Microsoft, Tata Technologies, Google, Amazon, Mercedes-Benz, and Morgan Stanley, offering various roles such as software developer, coder, tester, and manager-level positions. Additionally, many report satisfaction with the university's placement cell, although some feel that more could be done to enhance job readiness. The highest package reported was between 45 to 50 lakh per annum, with a median package of 6 lakh per annum in 2022-23, showing a steady improvement over the years. Compared to the neighboring and similarly ranked institutions like VJTI Mumbai and SVKM's Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies, the median package offered at VJTI is more competitive. Speaking of internships, MIT WPU provides comprehensive 6-month internships, industrial projects, and expert mentoring through industry academia connections. Students gain hands-on experience in technology such as iOS development for Swift, mobile app development using Kotlin, full stack development, IoT, data science, and cybersecurity. Moving on now to academics, where MIT WPU offers 4.1 rated 4-year BTech program with 17 specializations. Unique options include BTech in CSE, cloud computing, CSE in gaming technology, material science and engineering, and CE in smart infrastructure and construction. For admission, candidates need a 50% aggregate in class 12th with PCM and PCB and valid scores in JEE Mains or MHT CET. The total tuition fee for the 4-year BTech program ranges from 2.65 lakhs to 3.7 lakhs depending on the specialization. The annual hostel charges are approximately 1.85 lakh for a triple-seater room and 2.15 lakh for a double-seater room. MIT WPU offers scholarships to meritorious students based on their performance in national or state-level entrance exams, as well as the MIT WPU CET examination. Switching gears now to the 4.2 rated infrastructure. The campus is Wi-Fi enabled and features modern classrooms, an auditorium, a well-stocked library, and industry-sponsored labs such as Tata Technological Labs and Blockchain Snapper Labs. Additionally, it also hosts one of the 3 subsea labs worldwide. The hostel accommodations are available in double and triple-seater rooms with all basic amenities for both boys and girls available. Recreational facilities include an outdoor kabaddi court, Zumba studio, wrestling hall, swimming pool, yoga lawns, open-air amphitheaters, 24/7 security services, and an eco-park. While students generally enjoy 5-star facilities at MIT WPU and appreciate one of the largest libraries in Pune, some have expressed dissatisfaction with food quality in the canteen. Moving on now to faculty and course, which have received a 4-star rating from students. The students report that the instructors are well qualified and supportive. Many faculty members possess between 15 to 28 years of experience in their respective fields. The University Center for Industry Academia Partnership strengthens ties between academia and industry by providing students with hands-on experience through projects and guest lectures and collaborations with 231 plus companies like Sybase and Intellimint. With a 4.4-star rating for campus life, let's delve deeper. MIT WPU offers over 40 student clubs catering to diverse interests including research, culture, boat rowing, go-karting, and more. Notable clubs include Team Pro Karters, Rowing Club, Team Sky Troopers, MIT WPU Sports, and Melodic. In addition, MIT WPU also hosts a variety of fests, events, and workshops throughout the year, including Arohan, Taxifyer, Sports Meet, Global Alumni Meets, TEDx Talks, and Robocon. Lastly, MIT WPU is ranked in the 101 to 150 rank band in the NRF 2024 engineering category, maintaining this rank for the past 3 years. For more details on MIT WPU Pune and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.